In this video, I will be explaining you how to remove duplicates. Let's see here. There are duplicate employee codes found in this data. So now I will be explaining you how to remove this. First, you select this column where the employee code is there, and then go to data. In this data, can you see the remove duplicate? Click on that remove duplicate. You will get a pop-up window, and then just give remove duplicates. Click on remove duplicates, and then here we are going to check only this employee code. So you unselect all, and then give only employee, select only employee code. Give OK. See, 2 duplicates found and it's removed. So now in that previous example, what happened? Only the employee code is duplicate. Now here entire row is duplicate. So in that, what we can do is similarly you select the entire row and then entire range, and then go to remove duplicate. Now just give OK. It's enough, because if you selected already, give OK. You see, 2 duplicates are removed now. So like this, we can remove the duplicate data. Hope this video will be useful. Subscribe to my YouTube channel KM Kadai Beta. Further details, please contact me at 9940674714. Thank you.